Good afternoon, guys, and what is up? It's Mike from Tesla 365. Today is Friday, April 27th, and we are going right now to the auto body shop to pick the Tesla up. And yes, I am excited. Got a new tag here and registration, insurance, proof of insurance, and we are headed there right now. They said 4:30, but we're going to get there a little early, just so there's no crap. What did they lend me here? They lent me a Infiniti Q50. This car is pretty quick. I have a 06 Corvette and a Tesla 75D. This is faster, I believe, than the Tesla. And here we are, and there it is. What a sexy beast. I have to get myself a parking spot here, right next to this crazy guy in the big ass Silverado. Hopefully he doesn't get too upset with me as I'm backing in next to him. I'm not gonna hit his bumper. I don't think I am. Maybe I will. That's okay. Oh, we're good there. Alright, what do I need? Need the keys to this pig and the plate, all that good stuff. We'll be back. And guess who's back? Tesla 365, we are back 100%. We are back. I cannot wait to get the tag on there and get rocking. It looks good. It looks really good. These guys did a great job over here. Great job. See if I can give them some props. Caldwell Collision over in Indian Trail, North Carolina. Oh, the paint looks amazing with the speckle in it and everything. Came out great. Really good. Top inside real quick and do whatever paperwork we need to do. That's right. We are back. Tesla 365, and we are back. Back in the Tesla. It is looking great. Everything is looking good. We got that big panoramic view. What a day to pick it up, huh? Beautiful sky. Everything is looking great. Cannot wait. Cannot wait to get to doing our thing with this car again. It is going to be phenomenal. Gonna go surprise my son right now at the house. Pull up with the Tesla, see what he thinks. Hope he has. Hope he gets pretty excited. We will see.
Oh my god! I just said something about it. Holy crap!
Oh yeah, it's on, bro. Tesla 365 is back at 100%, bro.
Oh my god!
It's every day, bro. Did I just really quote Jake Paul? I did. I did. How sick is it? It's so sick, right? It really is sick.
That's why I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, it's so quiet. It's you're used to the vet pulling up. Oh, hey, you can throw your backpack in the back.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. That's what's up.
When did you get back? Today?
Yeah, we just got it back just now.
New everything or no?
Not everything's not new, but almost a lot of the stuff is new. The seats are not new.
I know. I still
like
the seat.
Oh, the seats are awesome. Everything's so comfortable in here. And guess what else we've got? Heard radio. We are back at the crib. And this is how it should look. It should have been looking the whole time. Michael, why don't you hop in the Tesla and put it to low mode?
Yeah, I'd love to be like that.
Because it's really high sitting right now.
Why is it
Yeah, you drive a 2008 fucking M5.
And they're both smoking.
That is how my garage should look.